Greetings students, Master Grogan here with our weekly training tip. This week we're going to work some hands. We're going to work on the jab cross, but we're also going to add some work in there to help protect, defend, but also off the abs and the thighs as well. Look at those quadriceps a little bit too. So here we go. Jab, cross, good technique. Slip the jab, slip the cross, back in front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Then we'll move on to the hooks. Hook, hook. You're going to duck out of it, duck out of it. Notice, not bending my back, using the legs, squatting down. Hook, hook, duck, duck, and then one more. Duck, duck. Now we're going to put all together, a little 8 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now the partner. Woo. Thank you, sir. Moving on, moving on. Same thing we did. The jab, cross, and then I'm going to slip, slip. Good. 1, 2, slip, slip. A little faster. Good. Now moving on to the hook, hook. Hook, hook, duck. Wow, almost caught that one. Hook, hook, duck, duck. Whoa, boom, boom, duck, duck. Good. Now putting all of them together now. A little 8 count. He's fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hook, hook, duck, duck. Woo! 1, 2, 3, 4. Hook, hook, duck, duck. Last one. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hook, hook, duck. Wow! Man. Woo! A little bit of sweat there. All right. As always, do your best. Keep practicing. We'll see you real soon.